Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add or change relationship status in Facebook on Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Facebook app and then log into your Facebook account. Okay, so let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this three horizontal lines, this menu icon over here. Okay, so let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on your profile name. Okay, and you can see guys I have my profile page opened, and after that you have to tap on this three dots over here, this button. Okay, and then you have to tap on this edit profile, this link. And you can see guys I have this edit profile, this page opened. You can also open this page by using another method, so let me show you. So let me go back again. Okay, so just open your profile page, and then you have to tap on this edit public details, this button. Okay, so let me tap on this, and you can see I have this edit profile page opened. Okay, and after that you have to scroll down at the very bottom, and then you have to tap on this edit your about info, this button. Okay, so let me do that, and I have this about screen opened, and on this screen guys you have to scroll down to relationship section. So let me go over there. So here I have this relationship section, and here I have this link, add relationship. Okay, so if you have not added relationship before, you will see this link, add relationship. So first of all let me show you how we can add relationship, and after that I will show you how we can change that. Okay, so just tap on this add relationship, this link. Okay, so let me do that. It's opened, and I have this relationship section. You can see what is your relationship status. So just tap on this link. Okay, and I have this pop-up, this screen opened. You can see we have various types of relationship over here. Okay, a single, in a relationship, engaged, married, etc. Okay, so just go to the relationship that you want and then tap on it to select it. So in this example I will show you this relationship, married. Okay, so let me tap on this to select it. You can see guys it's now selected, and after that you can provide the name of the person with whom you are married. Okay, and guys this is optional. So suppose if you added person over here, then that person will be notified about this relationship, and if he or she accept it, only then it will be added to your profile. Okay, so let me show you. Let me enter the name. Okay, you can see I have this person. Let me tap on this to select it. You can see this person is now selected. Okay, and after that you can provide the anniversary. So just tap on this year. You can provide the year. Let me select this. Okay, you can provide the month. Tap on it, month. Okay, provide the month. Let me select this June, and you can provide the day. Okay, just tap on this day and provide that. Okay, so let me select this 5, and after that guys you can select the privacy of your relationship. Okay, so just tap on this little drop down button over here. Okay, so let me tap on this. It's opened. You can see currently I have this selected, this public. You can see the check mark next to this public, anyone on or off Facebook, and here I have this friends, your friends on Facebook, and here we have third option, more options. Just tap on this, and I have this option, only me. So just select the privacy that you want. So I want this friends, so let me tap on this to select it, and you can see it's now selected. And after you're done guys, just tap on this save this button. Okay, and also guys let me tell you one thing, that these options might differ depending on the relationship you select. Okay, so let me tap on this save button. Okay, it's saving, and you can see guys here I have this relationship status added. Okay, so it's now added. Let me show you how we can change relationship status. So just open this about screen, go to this relationship section, and then you have to go to your relationship that you want to change, and then tap on this edit link next to your relationship status. So let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this edit relationship. Okay, so let me tap on that, and I have this screen opened, and then you have to tap on your relationship. So let me tap on this married in my case, and then just select the relationship that you want. So suppose if I want this single, this relationship, then I need to tap on this to select it. So let me tap on this, and you can see I now have this relationship added. And after that, select the privacy of your relationship. So just tap on this little drop down button. Let me tap on that, and here I have this public friends. Just tap on this more options, and I have this only me. Okay, so just select the privacy that you want. So suppose if I want this public, then I need to tap on this public to select it. You can see it's now selected, and after that just tap on this save button. So let me tap on this, it's saving, and you can see guys I have this relationship status added. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way you can easily add or change relationship status in Facebook on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.